Hello, everybody. Welcome to a YouTube video. Right now, we're at the railroad crossing. Oh, kind of stuck on the track, but look what's coming. Here comes the train. Oh, the car's stuck on the track. What will we do? And then back from the tracks. We gotta run up to the dude. Look at that. Yes. That was a toy, guys. So make sure to subscribe and give a like. Goodbye, and I'll see you next time.